So, how do we move forward? And what is the rightful role of religion in this public discourse? Unlike some issues that have faced us in the past, the movement forward in the civil realm is tied intimately to moving forward in the religious realm. That's why religion matters in the quest for civil rights. There is perhaps no other prejudice ensconced in the laws of the land so based on sacred scripture, so entwined with our theological understanding of the nature of humankind and the sexuality which proves to be both its blessing and its curse. No other attitude in the body politic is so tied to an attitude stemming from a particular Judeo-Christian teaching. Change in no other social attitude in the secular culture is so tied to change in religious belief. I believe it will take religious people and religious voices to undo the harm that has been done by religious institutions. While we are seeing a decline in the number of people who experience and express their spirituality in and through a formal religious institution, it is still a powerful force within the culture, generally working against progress in the inclusion and full civil rights for gay and lesbian, bisexual, and transgender people. It's time that progressive Christians rescue the Bible from the religious right which has held it hostage and claimed it as its own private territory for far too long. It is time that Christians and Jews actually read their holy scriptures instead of simply believing what others tell them it says. It's time we use reputable scholarship, sound reason, and thoughtful exploration to understand what the words of Scripture meant to the person who authored them and what they meant to the people for whom they were written before deciding whether or not those words are eternally binding on those outside that ancient cultural context. It's time that progressive religious people stop being ashamed of their faith and fearful that they will be identified with the religious right and start preaching the good news of the liberating Christ, which includes all of God's children.